Digital to analog. 6 feet, 2 meters USB-C, DP1. 2 Alt Mode HBR2, active adapter cable connects a single VGA display supporting 1920 by 1200 1080p at 60 Hz, EDID DDC pass-through, Thunderbolt 3 compatible. Integrated video adapter cable. Male-to-male adapter cable reduces clutter, minimizes signal loss and potential failure points, making it ideal for fixed workstations in your home, office or classroom. Computer compatibility. Dell XPS Precision Latitude, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Extreme, Surface Pro 7, Laptop 3, Book 3, MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, TB3 MacBook Air, HP EliteBook Spectre ZBook Chromebooks. Display compatibility. Tested with range of 1080p VGA monitors incl brands like Dell, Samsung, Asus, Acer, LG and projectors like Sony, Christie, LG, NEC Epson. Easy to use. Video adapter cable has been tested to ensure compatibility with USB Type-C DP Alt Mode or TB3 devices. Driverless plug-play setup with macOS, iPad OS, Windows 10, Linux, Chrome OS Android. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing customer service. Turns out my computer didn't support this cable, but I chatted with Amazon and they got me in touch with StarTech. Their customer service was awesome and they helped me figure out the problem and gave me a few alternate solutions. I will be shopping StarTech in the future.